In this video, I will show you all of the materials you would need for the activity gauging rainfall. First, you will need computers, markers, chart paper, journals, pencils, tape without hair on it, funnels, cups such as Dixie cups, solo cups, or measuring cups of all cup sizes. You will also need rulers such as meter sticks and 12-inch rulers. You will also need pens, doesn't matter which color, scissors, preferably ones that are better for young children, string, doesn't have to be colorful, but that's what I had. You also need rubber bands and a sprinkler or just a hose, whatever is available to you and your budget. Those are all the materials that will be needed for the students to make their own rain gauges. We do not have a set way to create these rain gauges because that is up for the children to decide. We are just providing these materials to help them figure out how they want their rain gauge to work.